Hey Jill, you know them old sugar daddy, they be tricking, they tell them girls,
I said you can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah.